Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Data Plumbers Unplugged podcast, brought to you by Data Plumbers, where we share the most valuable updates in data engineering, analytics, and AI. I'm Puneet, your host, and the person behind the Data Plumbers newsletter, and today we are diving into our latest weekly roundup filled with tools, innovations, trends to elevate your work. Whether you are an engineer, analyst, or a data scientist, this episode is packed with insights to help you succeed. So let's get started. So, why you should care about this week's roundup? Now, because it's carefully curated to deliver what matters the most to data professionals, like practical tools, groundbreaking innovations, and the trends which are shaping our field. Our latest Pipeline Pulse covers actionable frameworks, platform updates, and core practices like pipeline design and governance. We are exploring AWS's latest analytics tools, Databricks AI, and deployment advancements, Google Cloud's accessible analytics, and more from Microsoft, Nvidia, and Snowflake. Plus, we have got resources to boost your workflows. So I'll break it all down, share my perspective, and keep it, you know, simple for you. Uh, Ready to stay ahead? So let's dive in. So let's start with AWS. Now, AWS has been delivering a range of powerful updates, for data professionals. Five in total, with four marked as essential reading. AWS OpenSearch Flow Builder is a standout. It's a low-code tool for building AI-driven search and analytics workflows that deliver quality results. For example, a retailer could use it to match customer searches to produce in real time, increasing sales. AWS reports it reduces development downtime by about 50, rather 60%, allowing teams to focus on delivering features rather than writing complex code. This is ideal for real-time applications like fraud detection or personalized user experiences. Next is Apache Iceberg on AWS, which is transforming data lake management. Natural Intelligence migrated their lake to Iceberg, leveraging open table format for schema evolution and time travel queries. This has cut query times by 40% and simplified maintenance. So, no more manual partition wrangling. Iceberg's integration with AWS Glue and Athena makes it a great fit for scaling analytics on S3 backed lakes. Spark Pipelines guide with MWAA and EMR on EKS is a detailed resource for orchestration. It explains how to build end-to-end Apache Spark pipelines using managed workflows for Apache Airflow, that's MWAA for you, to schedule jobs, and EMR on EKS for scalable compute. Imagine processing petabytes of IoT data with predictive maintenance. MWAA ensures reliability. One AWS customer reduced setup time by 30% with this approach, which is impressive for large scale analytics. For governance, the MWAA least privilege best practices guide is critical. It outlines securing pipelines with IAM roles, VPC endpoints, and audit logs to minimize risks. A key recommendation is using tag-based policies, which cut administrative cost overheads by 25%. Now, this is essential for industries like finance or healthcare with strict compliance requirements. Finally, SageMaker Unified Studios integration with AWS Glue, Redshift, S3, RDS, and EMR creates a seamless data access layer. Data scientists can now query diverse sources without custom ETL, speeding up model training by 50% according to AWS. This is a unified hub for analytics, saving time and effort. So this week, AWS is simplifying complex analytics workflows while addressing scalability and security. Flow Builder and SageMaker prioritize speed, while Iceberg and MWAA tackle data lakes and governance. The challenge is navigating AWS's vast ecosystem. So you can start with a small pilot to see what works for your team. These tools are powerful, but strategic adoption is the key. Now let's turn to Databricks, which is making significant strides in AI and data engineering with four essential updates. The Llama Index investment is a bold move. Llama Index basically enables AI agents to reason over enterprise data, such as generating sales forecasts from CRM and email records. Databricks support means deeper integration, potential reducing latency for complex queries by 20% based on Llama Index's benchmarks. This could transform how teams extract insights, making analytics more intuitive and automated. Python support for Databricks asset bundles is a major win for developers. It allows Python users to package pipelines, ML models, notebooks with a single command, cutting deployment errors by 35%. A fintech company used this to deploy a fraud detection models across regions in minutes, not days. This streamlines workflows for Python centric teams. The SQL pipe syntax in Databricks SQL simplifies pipeline creation. It offers a declarative way to chain transformations such as filtering, joining, aggregating without complex code. A retail company halved the time needed to build a customer segmentation pipeline using this syntax. So for analytics teams relying on SQL, this is a time saver. SAP Databricks integration, which is now generally available on AWS, enables advanced analytics on SAP data. So teams can now run AI models or real-time dashboards on SAP ERP data without heavy ETL processes. A manufacturing client reduced reporting latency by 40% with this integration, making it a strong choice for SAP-driven enterprises. So Databricks this week is blending AI innovation with developer-friendly tools. Llama Index and SAP integrations cater to the enterprise, while asset bundles and SQL syntax benefit smaller teams. The platform's cost can be high, so focus on these updates if you're scaling AI or SAP analytics. For a low risk start, try the SQL pipe syntax. It's an accessible way to improve efficiency. Now, Google Cloud is delivering updates that makes analytics more accessible and AI powered with five essential highlights. BigQuery's new AI capabilities are transformative. You can ask questions like, "What's my churn risk this quarter?" in plain English and receive predictive insights without writing SQL. Powered by Vertex AI, these models achieve 85% accuracy for use cases like customer retention as per Google. This empowers non-technical users to access analytics quickly. Vertex AI's vector search enhances retail analytics with embeddings. It matches customer preferences to products semantically. For example, recommending clothing based on style, not just keywords. A fashion retailer increased click-through rates by 30% using this tool. Its pre-built integrations make setup straightforward, which is ideal for interactive customer experiences. BigQuery Data Frames 2.0 basically introduces pandas-like syntax for processing large datasets with joins and aggregations which are 50% faster than the previous version. A media company used it to analyze streaming data in real time, reducing costs by 20%. This is a fantastic tool for Python developers working with big data on BigQuery. New IAM features strengthen governance by enabling dynamic access policies based on user behavior. So basically reducing unauthorized access risks by 40%. This is crucial for industries like healthcare with stringent compliance needs. Sorry. Lookers. So this is crucial for industries like healthcare with stringent compliance needs. Like Lookers conversational analytics allows users to query BI data with natural language, such as show me sales by region. Powered by Gemini, it achieves 90% query accuracy and cut report creation time by 60% as shown for or as observed for a logistics firm. So Google this week is making analytics inclusive with AI and Python friendly tools. BigQuery and Looker, they lower the barriers for insights while Vertex AI excels in retail applications. IAM updates vital IAM updates are basically vital for secure enterprises. Google's ecosystem is cohesive but less flexible, making it ideal for unified analytics stacks. Let's explore updates from Microsoft, Nvidia, and Snowflake, focusing on BI, security, and analytics. So, first one, Microsoft's Fabric's April 2025 features enhance AI and security. Like Azure Key Vault secures data connections, reducing breach risks by 50%. New AI tools like automated anomaly detection cut analytics preparation time by 30% for tasks like fraud monitoring. Now, this is a strong fit for enterprises building BI pipelines on Azure. Fabric's SQL database integration with Power BI Desktop enables direct querying of Snowflake databases in Power BI, basically streamlining dashboard creation. A healthcare provider used this for real-time patient analytics, reducing report latency by 25%. So it's an efficient solution for BI teams in Microsoft ecosystem. Moving to NVIDIA, NVIDIA's agentic AI for cybersecurity deploys autonomous AI agents to detect threats in analytics workloads. These agents analyze network patterns 10 times faster than traditional methods, identifying 95% of the anomalies. For instance, a bank could use this to detect insider threats instantly, making it critical for high security environments. Snowflake's ransomware guardrails protect analytics workloads with immutable backups and anomaly detection, recovering 98% of data in tests. Their investment in Vesa strengthens access management, enabling least privilege policies across Snowflake ecosystem. A retailer reduced unauthorized access incidents by 70% with Visa, enhancing data security. So this week, Fabric has come up with the update which basically make it a BI powerhouse for Azure users, but its ecosystem is a bit restrictive, I feel. NVIDIA's AI is specialized for security focused teams with high stake needs, and Snowflake security enhancement, particularly on Visa, build trust for analytics workloads. So you can choose Fabric if for Microsoft environments. If you are on Snowflake, you must explore the reliability features, and you can look at NVIDIA for advanced threat detection in your enterprise. Now we are wrapping this up with a set of resources to help you excel in your data work. The Snowflake data quality framework basically automates data validation and monitoring, catching 90% of the errors before the impact analytics. It's essential for maintaining reliable pipelines. The SQL Server to Snowflake migration guides provide a detailed process for schema conversion and data transfer. A retail case study reported a 50% reduction after migration and making it a valuable resource on modernization. 10 essential data cleaning techniques address missing values, outliers, and duplicates, improving model accuracy by up to 15%. The DuckDB JSON analysis tutorial demonstrates querying unstructured data efficiently, processing over a terabyte in minutes on a laptop, perfect for lightweight pipelines. 5 open source AI tools, including Hugging Face, offer pre trained models that reduce development time by 40%. And the multilingual chat guide with Google's Gemini shows how to build analytics driven customer support with the demo bot handling 80% of the queries accurately. Now, these resources are practical tools for success. Snowflake's framework and migration guide ensures data quality and smooth transitions. DuckDB and open source AI tools are cost effective for smaller teams, while the chatbot guide adds value for customer facing analytics. Begin with the data cleaning techniques, they are universally applicable and impactful. So that's our pipeline pearls roundup. AWS is streamlining analytics with OpenSearch, Iceberg, and MWAA. Databricks is advancing AI and SQL workflows. Google Cloud is making analytics accessible with AI and Python tools. And Microsoft Fabric, NVIDIA, and Snowflake are strengthening BI, security, and trust. Our resources covering data quality, migrations, and AI equip you to take action. Want to stay informed? So you can visit dataplumbers.substack.com and subscribe to the publication. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which updates are you most excited about? If you found this episode valuable, please subscribe to the podcast and the publication, share it with your colleagues, and leave a review to support us. All links with the notes are available at dataplumbers.substack.com. I'm Puneet from Data Plumbers, and this has been the Data Plumbers Unplugged podcast. Keep your pipelines robust and insights sharp. See you next week.